Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm caviarkezzy. I hope you guys are all doing well. We have a fun video, a quick video, because this install took literally all of 3 minutes. Today I have a synthetic wig for you guys. Yes, I have another synthetic wig. Before we get into it, I need to give somewhat of an introduction, okay? I think they are focusing a lot on synthetic wigs right now, like premium quality synthetic wigs. Today's hair sponsor is Gorgius. I have worked with them many times on my channel and a lot more frequently lately because they've been stepping up their game. I don't know if you shopped at Gorgius or you've checked out their website in the past, but nowadays they have some really cute synthetic wigs that are very realistic, that would fool anyone. Some of them are a little pricey and I think they could do better with the pricing, but this one is actually worth the money. What I have installed is a 32-inch T-part boho curly frontal wig. It is 100% synthetic. It is made out of premium fibers.
I done this before you fall. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this and the more I go. Cause you a bad man, if she don't love money. She break hearts real fast like gunman. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy. I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around. Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time.
Do you guys remember when we tried the blonde wig? The blonde synthetic wig? I was so I was so impressed with that wig, you guys. I had to try another one. So now this is just like a regular color wig, nothing too crazy. And yeah, let's see how this turns out.
I feel it coming down too strong. Cause I want ya, and it's hard to resist. Cause I need ya, and it's hard, baby, yeah, cause I believe ya. Hold me tight, holding on tonight. No cuppa, no get to your clean and proper. Way I move, I know you can love her.
Okay, I'm just gonna go in with my regular black can ebon. I like that it fits super snug, so I'm noticing that wherever you put the lace while you're holding it, it stays in place. That's always a good thing. And I love to see that in wigs. It's yanking on my eyebrow. And we're gonna try to hide the knots. I can see them a little bit. When I first started doing hair reviews, I used to do reviews on synthetic wigs a lot because I just couldn't buy a new lace wig every single time. So I'd buy synthetic wigs. And this wig reminds me of one of the wigs that kind of went viral for me back in the day. So like a couple years ago. When I say that, it's not like that long ago. And it was really long. And this is bringing me back, like throwback to that. Just had a moment, guys. So the reason I like to spray hairspray on these wigs afterwards is because it just kind of blends in that powder that you put. So you can see that now it just looks like scalp. Put a few baby hairs right down there. Gonna cut it on an angle. So synthetic hairs, it's definitely harder to style baby hairs. Now I'm going in with some spray. I'm gonna spray and hold and put some heat. gonna worry about the sideburns because I'm not gonna have any for this install. Okay, so I'm going to finger comb the curls. And we are done. It literally fit my head so nicely. It fit like a glove, you guys. I just put it on and then we sprayed just the tiniest bit of hairspray and here we have it. Like the knots are very small on this. It almost looks like the knots are bleached. This wig has Kezia written all over it. And you know why? It's a middle part bust down, baby. You guys know I love me a middle part. So I'm here for it. And you guys, second reason why I love it, you already know, she is long 32 inches, baby. I am enjoying every single inch of this unit. It feels soft, you guys. You know, like when you move with synthetics, they usually don't fall back in place. They kind of just stay like that. It is flowing. You can move around and look, it's still gonna stay in place. If you guys know anything about synthetic wigs, you know that they don't normally act this way or look this way. So we are here for it. Now, I think my hot comb is hot enough. So let's see. I might totally melt this wig if it's not. So I hope that is not the case. Okay. Yep, the wig is not melting. It's beautiful. It looks full, but it's not too full. It just looks very natural. I love this like boho wave. So if you're familiar with like a loose deep, that's pretty much what this looks like. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful and I hope you learned something. If you've been saying no to synthetic wigs, that's just because you've been looking at all the wrong ones because this, I mean, it speaks for itself. I gotta go, guys. I'll catch you later in another video real soon. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so and turn your notifications on so you don't miss out on any future uploads that I do or giveaways. Bye.